Yeah, I find them. It's gonna be cold. This baby. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. This is Nia. If you're new here, welcome. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for the support. So it's Monday morning in New York City and it's raining and it's cold again. It's no longer warm like over the weekend. So I still have to hit the street. I have to bring my daughter to an appointment to get blood work done for her 1-year appointment coming up. So that's what we're doing today. I'm not sure what else I'll be doing, but let's just knock this appointment out and then take it from there. So I just dragged my wig on because yeah, it's a little bit colder today. So I have her diaper bag here. I'm just gonna put her milk. I made some milk for her, but she didn't drink it. She instead went to sleep. So I'm just gonna bring it with me and hopefully she will drink it on the way. So I'm gonna continue getting ready and catch you guys on the go. Guys, I'm there.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away. Cause every time I wake up, I feel like
Going
it's
out.
another day. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden, I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up all my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay? Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked you to go to this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby, I have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you, but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side, maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change.
Hey, Mama. Hey. You ready to do your blood work? Okay, guys. So she's just sitting down. You want to get out? Okay. Alrighty. Hold on, Mama. Okay, so we're just gonna get her blood work done and then head home because that's all we have to do today. Oh, but yeah, I don't know. Because it's a walk-in, like you don't have to actually make an appointment. I don't know how long I'll be here, but I've been here a few times before when I was pregnant with her. She did blood work here, I think, once before. So, and it wasn't long. I didn't have to wait that long. So, hopefully, it's in and out. So this is her little outfit, guys. She was sleeping, so She's not really talking right now, but she's okay. Don't bite that, Mama. Don't bite it. No, no, no. No. You're biting it? You're biting it? Hey, baby. And they gave me this pass. Um, it's called a. Let me see if I could get it. It's called a companion pass since she's a minor. And then they gave me her wristband, which I have to scan to actually go through. Yeah. What are you saying? What are you saying, my love? You okay? You okay, strong girl? Okay, so. No, it's not a lot of people. And then there's always multiple people working, so it should be done. So, go outside. Hey, Mama. Hey, sweet girl. You want to walk around? You want to go walk? You come to mommy? Buggy, buggy. Come. Ooh. Yeah, so. The mask is still mandated, so I have to keep it on. Hey, Buggy. Hey, baby. It's gonna be quick, okay? She did it before when she was younger, and she did so good. She didn't cry or anything. She just let them do it. So hopefully. Yeah, Mama. Mommy have to wear the mask. You see? Mm-hmm. No? No, 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 no. Don't mess with that. You want your milk? I have your milk. You want it? Yeah, so I don't know. I'm thinking that I want some fish today, but usually when I come over this side, guys, I usually get my little fish and salad and yellow rice from my little spot. So I might do that if the if it's there. If not, I don't know. I have some salmon home. Yeah. Yeah. What's up? You took it off? You took it off of me? Yeah. If not, I have some salmon home. Mama, you have to keep this thing on. Okay? Don't mess with it, okay? Don't mess with my stuff. Mommy. Yeah, mom. Mama. Mama. Okay, guys, I'm gonna catch in after we get this thing done. Wanda? Mama? Okay, let's go. Let's go. We're going. Come. Come. Come on, Mama. Come, my girl. Yeah. Okay, strong girl. Strong girl. Strong baby. Strong baby. Come on. Come on. Come on, Mama. Come on, see girl. Yeah. Yeah. Good girl. You're such a good girl. Do you know that you're a strong baby? Okay, guys, so she was tearing me up. She wanted to go walk, so so I decided to allow her to walk. So this is the result. She keeps me fit. you, you went back, Buggy? Mama? Okay, guys, so I just wanted you to see that she's up and about. We're still waiting to do her blood work. It seems that there's a lot of people. There's a lot of people here, so I gotta wait. I don't know how long. Yeah, guys, so I'm pushing baby around because she's crying and screaming because we've been waiting for over an hour. Yeah, we've been waiting for over an hour and she's getting agitated. Just sitting at one point, I had taken her out and let her like walk around. She was playing and stuff. I went and I changed her. I gave her milk. She drank just a little bit of her milk, and we're still waiting. So I think they said that. Oh, hold on. Yeah, I think they said that it's only one person that's doing the blood, so it's holding up. So I have to push her. So she's here. Okay. Okay, we're here. Okay, they're calling us, so catch up later, guys.
Hi.
Say hi.
Cute little outfit. How cute.
Say thank you. No.
Uh-uh.
Mommy gonna hold you over here. I know, my love, I know. It's gonna be quick. It's gonna be so quick. I wanted to make sure I get it done ahead of time.
No, is she going back to the doctor?
Yeah, she has to go back for her 12-month in May, so
You see the other eye?
the next eye.
Yeah. What's your hair?
Okay. That's a nice your arm.
Hi.
Say I'm good. I'm gonna hold this hand.
Mm-hmm.
You got something? Okay.
Yeah. I found it. It's gonna be cold.
This baby. Relax, mama. Relax, mama. You're doing so good. Good girl. Good girl, mama. You did
Yeah.
good. You did good.
Mommy always
You did
crying.
good.
Not you.
I'm much better this
I
time.
know. Mm-hmm.
You're good.
Almost done. Almost.
You're good. You're good. You're such a brave baby.
We gotta get a translator for that,
Oh
Mama.
my God. You're very brave, my love. I just want you to know that you're so brave. Yeah? Yeah. Yeah. Wow. Such a brave kid. Malia, I'm so proud of you. I'm very proud of you. I am. I'm very proud of you. Oh my God. She did so good. Whew. Okay. I could breathe. I could breathe.
I know.
Oh. Okay, and that's it. We're done, right? Okay. Let's go, Mama. Just got to put your hat back on. Okay, let's go, my love. Say thank you to the nice nurse.
You're welcome.
Say thank you.
Hi, guys.
It's not a coincidence that this is the second time and this is the same person.
right?
Yeah.
That happens.
I know. I appreciate it. Thank you.
You're welcome.
You have a good day. Alrighty, mommy bug.
So, bye-bye.
So I'm gonna have to strap you in. Come on, Mama, let's strap you in. Guys. Come on, Mama. We're done. We're leaving. We're leaving. See? See, I promised you 5 minutes and it was less than 5 minutes. No, it really was about 2 hours, but
I know, no. This thing is ridiculous. But what are we gonna do there?
yeah, I know.
Until it get where we can handle everything, it's gonna be
You always like that when the system.
fun start on your
Yeah.
system, yeah.
Yeah. Come on, Mama, let's put your hat on. I know you don't like it, but it's just to go outside. We're gonna take it off when we get to the car. I know, Mama. Good girl. You're so brave. You're such a brave baby. Do you know that? That you're braver than me? I'm brave for myself, but I'm always scared for you. Okay, have a good day. Okay. Ooh, guys. Okay. Have a good day. Guys. We're done. And we're heading to the elevator. Hold on. Good. She did so good. I'm so proud of her. We're going at the elevator. Let's see which one is going down. Okay, so this one is going up. I need one that's going down. Okay, going down.
Going down.
Yeah, that's where we're going. See?
Ground floor.
Okay, Mama. Okay. Hey guys, we're exiting the building. So we're outside now, guys. So we're outside, guys. So it start drizzling a little bit. So I'm gonna rush and get her inside. I don't know if the food stand is open where I usually get my fish. I'll stop and get something, but if not, I'll be heading home. So talk to you guys in a few.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away. Cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same.
So yeah guys, I couldn't wait until I get home, so I started eating. So this is what I always get whenever I go over that side. So it's my salad over here, my yellow rice, my fish with hot sauce and white sauce on it. So yeah, I might bring the rest home. So yeah guys, we're back home. I'm just taking out water and stuff from my bag. I didn't even drink any of the water. I brought my shake and this is all I had. I end up having a little bit of the food that I got, some street food. But we're home, and because it's raining out and looking crazy today, I'm not going back outside. That will be it. We're in for the day. So here is she. Say hi. Say hi. She did so good, guys. She got the blood work done, so now I don't have to worry. So when I bring her for her 12-month checkup, everything will already be there. So that's done. And yeah, so I'm gonna go hang out with her, give her something to eat, and probably just watch some TV today. I don't have much to do today. But thank you so much again, guys, for rocking it with me. If you're not subscribed to the channel, please subscribe, turn the post notification bell on, like the videos, comment in the comment section, and don't forget to share with a friend. Okay, so yeah, I'll see you in the next video, guys. Say bye, mommy. Bye. Bye, guys.